Words. A word is a sound, phoneme, or a set of sounds that are emitted by human beings, which transmit feelings, knowledge, ideas, etc. in different situations. A word can be represented by a letter, grapheme, or a set of letters. Examples: I, is, hi, what, break. What's up? Hi. People. A phoneme is the smallest part, sound, of a word. A word may have 1, 2, 3, or even more phonemes, sounds. Examples: I, e, d, you. I need you. A grapheme is a letter or a set of letters that represent a sound. Examples: B, R, E, A, K, S. Sheets of paper, printer, note. In the word break, the letters E, A represent a sound, A.